Hi guys! Today we are going to be moving towards actually doing some non-standard measurement. So again, non-standard means we're not using a typical tool like a ruler or a tape measure to do the measuring, but we're using something like cubes or paper clips, any collection of things that are all the same size. So you couldn't use something like a cube and a paper clip to measure because they're not the same size or shape. So you have to have the same shape in order to size and shape in order to measure with non-standard measurement. That's one of the most important things, is to have the same size and shape. You also cannot measure things if they're not together. So you cannot use the blocks and line them up and have them separate from each other. They have to be touching. So that's another thing. So today I'm just going to show you a quick little recap of how you might measure something using non-standard measurement like my cubes here. So you could do this at home with anything as long as you have multiple of the same object. Remember, it has to be the same size and it has to be able to touch like this. So you can use paper clips, you could use pom-poms as long as they're all the same size pom-poms. Anything that you have in your house that you have a lot of. So I'm going to show you, I've got this pretty cool lightsaber pen here, and I am going to lay it down so that I know that it's flat and I can keep my linking cubes nice and flat. So I'm going to line it up first and then I'll show you the video once I have it all set up. So again, I need my cubes to be touching, and I'm going to start at one end of my pen. So I'm going to start on this end and I'm going to build my cubes until they reach this end. Now with non-standard measurement, you're going to do estimates because your cubes might end up being a little bit longer than your pen. So you say it's about that size. I usually go closest without going over. So I'm linking all my cubes together and I line like this, and then I've lined it up with my pen, and I'm going to show you real quick here my setup. So I've got my pen lined up with my linking cubes, and if I count, now I can take this, now that I've measured it against my lightsaber pen, I guess I could show it to you like this too. I'm going to count my cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've now just measured my lightsaber pen is 7 cubes long. So you can give this a try if you have cubes or anything standard like that at home. You have to have a lot of them. You can measure things around your house. You can also give it a practice with the worksheet that I sent home today.